In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock in an Excel formula using Microsoft 365 Online. This simple yet powerful feature helps protect your hard work from unwanted changes, ensuring the integrity of your data analysis or financial models. First off, let's navigate to the free Microsoft 365 Online suite. This consists of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and for our purpose today, we'll focus on Excel. So, visiting the website and signing in is where we begin. Click on the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure it's the one associated with your Microsoft account. Once you've entered your email, click Next to proceed. After successfully signing in, it's time to pull up the specific document you'd like to work on. For demonstration, we'll use an example file named example.xlsx. Navigate to where this document is stored. In this case, it's located on OneDrive. OneDrive integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365, making it convenient to access all your cloud-saved files. Now that you've opened your document, you might notice there are multiple sheets. Decide which sheet you want to protect and highlight it. This step is crucial because the protection settings will only apply to the sheet you select. After selecting the desired sheet, move up to the toolbar and click on Review. This is where several options for protecting your workbook are housed. Within the Review tab, look for a feature called Manage Protection. Clicking on this will bring up several options, but we're interested in turning on the protection feature for now. This essentially locks the sheet, preventing any changes to the formulas you've painstakingly put together. For those of you looking for an additional layer of security, there's an optional step of clicking on Sheet Protection. This option allows you to specify exactly what you want to protect and to what extent. It can be as simple as preventing any changes to the formulas, or as comprehensive as making the entire sheet read-only. To further tighten the security, you have the option to set a password. This means that any attempt to unprotect the sheet and make changes will require this password. However, be mindful of the password you choose. If forgotten, even you won't be able to unprotect the sheet. Keep it somewhere safe but accessible. Lastly, once you've selected your protection settings and optionally set a password, make sure to confirm your choices and save your document. This final step ensures that all the protection settings are applied and your Excel sheet is secure, safeguarding your formulas from any unintended alterations. A couple of tips to remember: always back up your document before applying protection settings, especially if you choose to use a password. This acts as a safety net in case things don't go as planned. Also, keep in mind that protecting a sheet or workbook in Excel does not encrypt the file. For sensitive information, consider employing additional security measures. To sum up, protecting your Excel formulas is a straightforward process that can save you from potential headaches down the line. By navigating to Microsoft 365 Online, opening your document on OneDrive, selecting your sheet, using the Review tab to apply sheet protection, and optionally adding a password, you ensure the integrity of your data remains intact. Remember to save your document once you've configured the protection settings to your liking. That wraps up our guide on locking in Excel formulas. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just getting started with Excel, securing your work is vital. I hope this tutorial empowers you to confidently protect your Excel formulas and data. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.